nice and smooth.
Yeah. Ah!
You want to make another snow angel?
No, can you? Ah!
I can try.
Make one, please. Please make one.
Okay. We'll video it. Yeah. It's videoing right now. Can't wait to see this.
Find it in his face. Now, let's see.
There you go.
I'm gonna step in your snow angel.
Wait.
Tell me to.
You get snow on your back?
So pretty. Yes, I did.